Welcome to Raj classes. Those who are watching our videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss about the conversion of decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Let us take one example. This is 14 base 10. Base 10 means decimal number. How to convert 14 to binary? It's equivalent binary number. You just remember how to convert. First, repeatedly divide the number. Repeatedly divide the number. Number means your decimal number by 2. By 2. Why by 2? Because we are converting decimal to binary. And binary is base 2. Until it become 0. Until it become 0. Then second, keep track of all the reminders. Keep track of all the reminders. That is, you can take the first reminder is bit 0. Keep track of all the reminders. First reminder is bit 0. You can call it as LSB. Least. LSB stands for least significant bit. Least significant bit. Then second reminder is what? Bit 1. Second reminder is bit 1, and so on. The last reminder is called as MSB. What? MSB. MSB stands for most significant bit. Most significant bit. So after completion of the process, you just travel from MSB to LSB. MSB to LSB, or from bottom to top to get the result. Clear? Now come to the example. This is 14. Will repeatedly divide by 2. That means when first time you will divide, this will be what? 2 7 14, and the remainder is 0. Again divide by 2. This is 2 3 6, and the remainder is 1. Again divided by 2. This is 2 1 2, and the remainder is 1. Again divided by 2. This is 0, and the remainder is 1. As I have told that this is first bit is LSB and the last bit is MSB. We will travel from MSB to LSB, from bottom to top to get the result. What are the numbers? 1, 1, 1 and 0. This is base 2. This is the binary value of 14 base 10. Clear? Then take another example, 34 base 10. Then what is the equivalent binary value of 34? Clear? Similarly, we will divide 34 by 2. This is 17. This is your remainder is 0. Again divided by 2. 2 8 is 16. Remainder is 1. Then again divided by 2. This is 2 4 8. Remainder is 0. Then again divided by 2. 2 2 4. Remainder is 0. Again divided by 2. 2 1 2. Remainder is what? 0. Then divided by 2. 2 0. This is 0, and the remainder is 1. This is LSB, and this is MSB. We have to travel from MSB to LSB of bottom to top to get the result. So what will get the result? This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 base 2. This is the binary value of 34. Understood? Now we'll see how to convert fractional decimal to binary. Clear? Just see fractional decimal to binary. In fractional decimal, there are two parts, you know. One is integral part, another one is what? Fractional part. Just see how to convert fractional decimal to binary. How to convert fractional decimal to binary. Clear? Let us take one example. 12.25. 12.25. This is base 10. Then we have to calculate the binary. Binary of 12.25. You can see this is integral part and this is fractional part. So to convert this, you just remember, first divide the number into two parts. What are those? Now one is integral part and fractional part. Divide the number into two parts, that is one integral part and fractional part. Then second, what? Find the binary value for both the parts. Find the binary value for both the parts, both for the integral part and for the fractional part. Then third, combine both the parts to get the result. Clear? So to what I can do here, 12.25 base 10. 12.25 base 10. I can divide it, I can write it 12 plus 0.25 base 10. Just see, 12 plus 0.25. So after dividing this into two parts, second one is what? Find the binary for both the parts. So binary of 12. I will find, you know how to find the binary of integral part 12. I have to divide what? By 2 repeatedly. So this is 2, 6, 2, 6 is 12 and the remainder is 0. Again I will divide by 2. This is 2, 3 is 6 and the remainder is 0. Again I will divide by 2. This is 2, 1 is 2 and the remainder is 1. Then I will divide by 2. This is 2, 0 and the remainder is 1. Clear? This is LSB. I have already discussed. This is LSB and this is MSB. Clear? So we have to travel from bottom to top. That means from MSB to LSB to get the result. So binary of 12 will be what? Binary of 12 will be what? This is 1. This is 1. You can see here 0, 0. This is base 2. This is the binary value of what? 12. Then come to the fractional part. To find what the binary of fractional part, you just remember what to do. You have to, first point, repeatedly divide, repeatedly multiply the fractional part with 2. Repeatedly multiply the fractional part with 2 until it become 0. What? Until it become 0. Then second point, keep track of the integral part. Keep track of the integral part after each multiplication. Clear? Keep track of the integral part after each multiplication. Third, if the fractional part will not zero and continue to infinity times, then what you will do? You take you can take the integral part, you can take for result you take or you stop after certain integral after certain division or multiplication, after certain multiplication, or you can stop when repetition comes. Clear? If you will multiply the fractional part with 2, if the fractional part will not zero and it will continue to infinity times, then what will you do? Now when the repetition will come, you will stop there, otherwise you will stop after a certain multiplications. You just see how to convert this 25, to this binary. You just see, this is 0.25 fractional part is 25. You just multiply with 2. Clear? Here integral part is 0. We have to repeatedly multiply with 2. This is 2 5s are 0. This is 5 and the remainder is integral part is 0. So we have to keep this integral part. Then again multiply the fractional part with 2. This will be 0, this will be, and the integral part will be 1. Clear? Then this is the first integral part. This is the second. We have to travel from top to bottom. In fractional part case, we have to travel from top to bottom to get the result. So what will the value of binary value of 0.25? The binary value of 0.25 will be what? This is 0 and 1. 0.0 and 1 base 2. Clear? Then what I have told before, that after finding the binary value for both the parts, we have to combine both the parts to get the result. What is the binary value of 12? This is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 base. This is 1 1 0 0 for 12 plus For 25.25, this is 0.01, 0.01, this is binary, that means base 2. That is equal to 1100.01 base 2. This is the binary value for what? 12.25. 12.25. Clear? All of you understood? In next video, we'll discuss how to convert decimal to octal. How to convert decimal to octal. Thank you.